Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create high quality stock images with Leonardo AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the website Leonardo AI and then click on the model, or rather click on the image generation um, feature or option here. Just click on this place and it brings you to a web page similar to this. Then click on the model or presets option and click on the stock photography option. Once you click on it, you can now choose the style. Okay, we only have one style, which is stock photo, and then you can now proceed to create an image of your choice, a stock image of your choice. So this is how to create stock images with Leonardo AI. Thank you and do have a great day.